Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of a compression test of the composite column which contains two parts. The core is ultra high performance concrete and the shape is ellipse or elliptical column, and after that it is surrounded with a steel tube here. This is the steel, the blue, and the green is concrete, ultra high performance concrete. So let's me to click on animate here and see this in this view. You can see this is the compression stress for the steel part and for the concrete. Let me to hold just the concrete. See this? This is the compression. Then this is the maximum compression, and after that the failure happened. And we can request plastic strain, plastic equivalent strain, displacement, or everything. And let's me now to remove the concrete and just hold the steel part. This is the steel part, the stress, the plastic strain, and everything. We can achieve everything. But the important thing here is the force displacement diagram. Let's me to plot it. You can see it is the diagram. It is increases till here. Here the contact between the concrete and a steel tube uh, has completed here, and after that we have the increase in the force capacity, and here the maximum force capacity reached, and it is around 4.5 meganewton, and after that we have the decrease in the capacity and the stiffness degradation happen, and here is a failure zone. So this is our simulation of the CFST column, and if you need this tutorial you can come to our website www.abacusfm.com, find the English tutorial, or search some of these words here in the search section in our website, and then you will find this. Click on blue sign or on the title, and after that we will have this page. This is the short explanation about the geometry and definition of the material model, the steps, interactions, loading, and then the results here. At the end, there are three important points. The file contains CA and PN English video file step by step. The cost is $30. If you have bitcoins, you can pay it with that, but if you haven't bitcoins, you can pay it with PayPal if you have PayPal account, and this is a better way to use PayPal. Send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing through PayPal system. Thank you for attention.